Here we go, building a homework grading AI agent. We'll be building it using, well, actually, we're going to have the AI do this for us because we already, we need to do this quick because we only have so much time in the day. We're going to have an AI agent build ourselves an AI agent that can grade homework. In our case, we're going to be using it for hackathon submissions. So that way, because we have hackathon submissions, they were due last Friday. We got a lot of submissions. We got a good number of submissions. In order to be fair and unbiased, because I have bias. I do have bias. I do our assessment. So this will be code quality, how to submit. We won't worry about that. We don't. So this was at the evaluation points, code disposability, simplicity, and readability. Theme, we got it good. Okay, so let's see here. Agent instructions, sounds good. Oh wait, yep. We're gonna use as much AI right now to as much as possible. Perfect. Score each. We'll score each criterion. Perfect. No, but we want to do 1 to 100. We'll do 1 to 100. 1 indicating poor quality. And then 10 indicating really good quality. Or 10. There we go. 10, they're perfect, good, excellent quality, provide specific feedback. So and we want to do this by creating, how do we want to do this? We want to do it through we want to create an AI agent. So we need to do tool use function calling. So the goal for this stream is we're going to be building a code quality AI agent assessment. Basically, it's going to grade the homework. It's going to grade the homework for us. I'm actually really excited. So evaluation points, code disposability, code simplicity, and readability. This was all on our Discord. It was all on right here. So we're copying and pasting it word for word. So the agent will build it. And the output will be final output of the Python script will be a MD file. Here we go. That includes including the grades, or the scores, right? Perfect. Scores. Scores. There we go. And feedback criterion. Perfect. Let's see if we can do this. So we'll use Codex. We'll use Codex here. Codex. And then the task today is we are going to do, let's check out this grading agent. What do we look like? Okay. I'm just taking a peek. We do software engineering. Wow, this is a little bit much. Talk about code quality analysis. This does not meet the specifications of the hackathon itself. You can see it right now. Code quality agent. All right, so tool, scan directory, compute metrics, evaluate disposability, evaluate simplicity. This actually does exactly what I want it to do. This is really great. So this criteria right here, we've got these criteria, and we're going to have an AI agent grade all of these code submissions. That way we have an unbiased opinion from the AI that will give us a grade score on this. That's the goal for today. We need to make sure that AI agent is working. It has to be working. Once we're there, once we've got it right here. Actually, it's already done. It looks like it should work great, but we just need to see run Python grade and then to the project. Tune the heuristics if the map if needed. Okay, so I think we're good to go. I think it will work. We're going to have to try. We're going to have output. Oh, and if there's an output. Okay, so we run it like this. So we used an AI agent to code up an AI grading agent that will determine the code quality of the project. Isn't that crazy that you can do that? It's like we're inceptioning it. Typically, though, this channel, we will be coding things by hand. We won't be using the AI agent. We'll be coding things by hand as much as possible because it's a lot more fun, and this is a learning channel. We're all about learning. Let's jump on over. Let's give it a shot. All right, so let's copy and paste this here. Let's copy and paste this command. Here we go. There we go. Called quality output. Now, what we need... we also have to point it to the path. We have to point it to the path. Okay. Let's try it. Yes, super Tim. Excellent. You have submitted. That's great to hear. So then your code base will be part of the grading. We do have, so I did bring up one of the submissions. I brought up one of the submissions. Here is one of the submissions. If this is your submission, then you're going to see your grade early. Baxel, what are you building? We're building an AI agent that can grade homework. We're building an AI agent that can grade homework. Well, we didn't build it because we're on a short time span here, so we had the AI build it for us. using tools. So we built an AI agent that can code, that can grade coding, that can grade the code. I just came here. What are you doing? I'm interested. All right, game over. PF2 up. We've got an AI agent that can grade. We can grade code for us. So we've got an AI agent here. We just had an AI coding agent did write it for us because we were short on time. This is pretty neat. So this is how you make your own AI agent to do anything that you ever wanted. If you want an AI agent, you have to give it this instructions. Ask the AI coding agent to make you an AI agent that uses tool use. It's called function calling. And then it defines tools that it can use to do certain tasks. And the important part of this is that you can use the large language models to have deterministic output that gives you the capability then to programmatically integrate these agents into any kind of workflow. This is a critical aspect and also one of the most pivotal technologies that are available to us with large language models. If you don't have it, you get non-deterministic output, which is just a bunch of text. How do you even program with something like that? If you want to put it in a workflow or some sort of chain of logic, you cannot do it because you'll just get just random words on the output. What you need is structured responses like JSON that can be then used to parse the response from the LLM and then proceed to the next step. And then you can create multiple agents that can do the work for you. Isn't that kind of cool? In this case, we created an agent that will grade a code repository on the criteria for success for winning in our evaluation points on our hackathon. There you go. We've got a code quality hackathon here. And so the AI agent will be grading everything for us tomorrow. We'll be starting the grades tomorrow. We'll be reviewing some of the code. I will be walking through some of the code myself. On stream, we'll be walking through it and say, that's good right there. That looks good. Oh, that's terrible. We don't want to see that anymore. So that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. If you're here tomorrow, is it like RAG? Oh, game over. In this case, it's not like retrieval augmented generation. It's not retrieval augmented generation. It's not. In this case, it's just AI agent. We're just AI agenting it. It'll just use, it's basically like tool use. It's function calling. It's called function calling. Let's see, what LLM does the agent use? Claude? Oh, we're going to be using OpenAI because GPT-5 Codex just recently we found out is really good. It is really good. Comparing it, so there's two differences. One is Claude Code is great at generating new projects from scratch. It's nice. It's fluffy. It's got a human touch. It adds a lot of appeal and design into it. GPT-5 Codex is more laser focused and sharp on accuracy and intent. And it's much better for building with projects with GPT-5 Codex if you need precision. If you need precision, GPT-5 Codex we found is way better. You see what happened here? You see what happened? Isn't this cool? All right, so the AI coding agent that the AI coding agent wrote that evaluates code quality is an AI agent for homework grading, evaluated itself. It evaluated itself, you guys. Look, chat, evaluate. Look, here's the score that it gave itself. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? This is exactly what we're looking for, though. This is exactly what we're looking for. I think that's so cool. So we're gonna run it on one of the hackathon code submissions before we go. Before we end stream today, we're gonna end it on. We're gonna do. What we want to do is let's see here. So let's do this Python. Let's see if we can grade. Let's grade the file organizer. Python grade agent dash output. We'll say file dash organizer grade.md, and then we'll say file. Let's do. Maybe do we need to do absolute? We might need absolute instead. So say /desktop, and we say homework, and then we say file. There we go. I think that's it. Are we good to go? Is it going to grade? Let's see if it works. That didn't do anything. Oh wait, there's no way that finished immediately. Hold on. There's no way that it finished. There's file. Hold on. That was too fast. Total lines of code, files analyzed. There's no way. There's absolutely no way that finished. How is that possible? That was like instantaneous. There's no way that finished that quick. Hold on. We've got some investigation to do here. What's going on? There's no way. Complexity markers. There's no way. Hold on. There's no way. Let's compare it. Before we go though, we need to see what's going on here. We need to see what's going on. Let me see. Let's jump back here. So we are using an AI agent here. There we go. So why did let's see, was it called grade, run so fast? Run so fast. It should be calling OpenAI GPT-5 for function calling, and this Claude Code, we're using Codex. If you want an agent to invoke OpenAI for real, add your AI code. See, oh yes, please do that. Yes, please do that. Use my envvar OpenAI API. Wait, is it OpenAI API key? I think it's OpenAI API key. Let me check over here. All right, we're just pull this open over here. So the screen, you can't see it. I've got another terminal window open over here. Is it called ZSH? Tilde forward slash dot ZSH. Open OpenAI open. Here we go. It's called open. No, we don't want that. We definitely don't want to do that. Here we go. Yeah, it's okay. So it is that. Okay, perfect. This is what we want. Get rid of that there. There we go. Override. That's good. All right. Like this. There we go. Yes, please do that. Use my OpenAI. We're using Codex. We're using Codex, GPT-5 Codex. I need to run our program one more time, and then we're going to end stream here. Grading agent. Let's see here. 1 second. Let's see. MB file to file.back. Okay. And let's do Python grade agent output will be the file organizer.md. And then the directory will be file organizer. But we have to do it like this. So let's do tilde forward slash desktop. There we go. Then we have to go homework, and then we do file. All right. Let's see if it works. All right. So file organizer grade.md. Here we go. We did it. Look at that. Analyzed directory, file count, organizer, and test organizer. Let's double check to see. Let's jump in here. So this is the hackathon, right? This is the hackathon results. Look at the code. Look at the grade it gave you. A really good grade. That's an A. That is a solid A right there. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're going to be doing this tomorrow. We're going to be going through our code hackathon submissions. I'll be reading the code on stream. We'll be reading. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. I'll be reading on stream. That's the plan for tomorrow. Grade agent. There we go. Git commit -m. Success. Grade AI agent ready for hackathon. Hackathon tomorrow. The hackathon tomorrow. There we go. And then I will do a party popper there. And then, let's do another party popper. Perfect. Okay. And then we push that to main git. So we do, push this one. There we go. We did it. So if you want access to that AI agent, it is on our Discord channel here. It's on our Discord here. It's right here under hackathon, and you'll get access. Just click on that link right there on our Discord, and then you get our coding agent that is going to grade for the hackathon right here. And the important part is the tool. So TOL, let's look for the tool. Where is it? The tools. Here we go. So you got a bunch of tools right here. That's the important part. That's it right there. You got it. Okay. Tools did you use for the LLM agents we're building? We've done 2. So Claude Code, because it's multimodal, and we also use OpenAI GPT-5. Those are the ones. And for the grading agent, the homework grading agent will